Current Affairs Today's headlines, November 2, 2022. India. PM Modi lays foundation stone of projects worth around 860 crore rupees at Jambugoda, Gujarat. Rajasthan. PM addresses, Mangar Dham Ki Gaurav Gatha program at Mangar Dham in Banswara district. President inaugurates 7th India Water Week at Greater Noida. UP. Center to grant citizenship to minorities of Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan, under Citizenship Act, 1955. Department of Youth Affairs, NSS and NYKS organize unity runs in all districts across the country. Economy and Corporate. CBDT releases draft Common Income Tax Return form for public consultation. India, Australia discuss Ind Aus ECTA, India-Australia Economic Cooperation and Trade Agreement. Former Tata Steel MD Dr. Jamshed J. Irani dies at 86 in Jamshedpur. Conferred Padma Bhushan in 2007. World 21st meeting of SCO Council of Heads of Government held in virtual format. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. J. Shankar represented India. India donates $2.5 million to support education, healthcare of Palestinian refugees. India gifts 200 vehicles to Nepal as logistics support for November 20 polls. US and South Korea conducting Vigilant Storm military exercises. 50 UN member countries issue joint statement condemning Chinese government's persecution of Uyghurs in Xinjiang. Grain ships sail from Ukraine ports despite Russia's withdrawal from UN deal.